Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping, and it's time for the Girls Down Under Weekend Challenge. This time it was set by Tracey in New Zealand, and she's asked us to use a photo of us, a large title, fussy cutting, splatters, and she provided a cut apart sheet that we could use if we wanted. So these are the elements, from the cut apart sheet. So I printed the sheet out and then fussy cut all the beautiful flowers out and the leaves. So I'm going to be using them as my embellishments. My heading is going to be 70s denim because this photo is of me and Mum at Mrs. McCorry's chair in Sydney, and this had to have been the 70s. Mum's got a denim skirt on, denim wedge shoes, and I've got a denim pinafore on. So it's going to be 70s denim because obviously that was all the go back then. My 70s is going to be out of this holographic stickers. It's the only blue stickers I had. And then we do believe I found some woven alphas, navy alphas that look like denim in my stash. Now, how old are these? Making Memories, 2004. Holy dooly. Gosh, I paid $11 for them back then. I wouldn't pay that now. My goodness. Anyway, yes, so, yeah. And I can even make the word denim. D-E-N-I-M. Yay! So that's my heading, 70s denim. And then I've just got blue and pink because there's pink flowers and I wanted pick up the denim. So that looks very 70s vibe to me. So that's my blue paper. And then I've just got some pink and my white backing. And I'm going to use a piece of that basic grey, just going to cover it up and have the pink border. My splatters are going to be Night of Navy ink, if I remember to do them. Fingers crossed I do. I've got my list here, so I shouldn't forget. Alright, so let's get this page started. Okay, there's my page, all splattered. I really like how this turned out. It's a little bit more feminine than what I thought it would be, but I mean, what can you expect with those beautiful flowers? So there it is. I have, what were the criteria? I've got a photo of me and my mum. I've got a large title, fussy cutting, splatters, and I used the cut apart sheet that she provided us with. So I really like it. Really, really nice. Except now I have a blue finger and a blue fingernail. So you'll know my next videos I do if I can't get this off. You'll go, yep, okay, Narelle made that video around the same time she made that denim one because of the blue finger. Anyway, that's it for today. If you've liked this video, give me the thumbs up. If you would like to be in our Girls Down Under Facebook group, the link will be in the description box below. If you are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing, hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.